Today, let's see if Phab's new savoury Bhel Bar is a certified snack or should it get whacked. Packaging is a solid 10 on 10. They come in 3 flavors and have 10 grams of protein for around 140 calories. So protein is also a solid 10 on 10. Taste test time. They're honestly very unique because no one's made a savoury protein bar before. I would give taste an 8 on 10 because this flavor is quite nice. The curry leaf puddy is average at best, but again, personal preference. And texture is a bit too crunchy. I see what they're trying to do, but I would give that a 7 on 10. And that brings the total up to a solid 8.3. Would I recommend it? Yes, Avlean approved. Let me know in the comments what you want me to test out next.